today I am in, I guess I should tell you where, Phuket, Thailand, on Patong Beach. Well, even Amazon ain't got nothing on a delivery driver here in Thailand. This is who I came to see, the cousin, the family. Wait, you gotta bring it.
No, don't touch it.
Oh, what a day. What a day. I've already been up at breakfast because of course I only slept for 4 hours, and I have not called my cousin yet because I just want to get out a little bit, walk around, go to the beach, which is like a block that way, but I'm going to go to the Patong side, and we'll see what happens with the day. Dropped off my laundry, they'll do that for me for like, I don't know, $5, I think. They're gonna wash it, fold it. I'm okay with that. So let's see what happens with the day. Country 2, day 2. Country 2, day 2. My cousin took me to his favorite Thai foot massage place, and we got foot massages. Yeah, they wash your feet and then you receive a foot massage up to your knee, your arms, your hands, down the back of your neck, your back, your temples, for an hour. It's 200 baht, which is about, I don't know, what is that, 20 bucks, I want to say, give or take. As you can tell, I'm all about this. This is probably the most relaxed I have been in a very long time. Yes, the hat made the world tour. It is seen 2 more countries. I think it's up to like 8 countries now. So I'm going to take a nap, drink some more water, think about if I want to change my hotel or not, because I was only scheduled to be in this hotel for 2 nights. But I don't think I want to change. I'm gonna see if they'll let me stay in this room for 2 more nights, If not, then I'll find another hotel. That's about it. That's all I got. That's all I got. We had lunch. My cousin has a motorcycle. We rode around, laughed, talked, had lunch at this beautiful place with a beach view, of course. And that's about it. I'm good. I'm gonna take a nap. I'll talk to y'all later.
Give me 2 of these. Give me 1 more of those. 2? Yeah, give me 1 more. Just 2 of those. Yeah.
Right there. So I remember chicken back that we swooped in and got on the motorcycle because you were hungry and we had 2 minutes left. Chicken back. Tastes like chicken. Hey y'all, I didn't do a wrap up on day 2, country 2, because you probably see my video about the foot massage, the Thai foot massage, and it put me out. I slept pretty good for a couple of hours, and then my cousin and I went to a Cabaret Show, which was amazing. Because everything is made here in Thailand, the costumes were amazing. The detail, the sparkle, yeah. So we got up, we went to Cabaret Show, and then we got dinner, and then he goes, well, you know, I normally do a Thai body massage after I do my foot massage. Do you want to do a Thai body massage? I'd never done a Thai body massage, and she's putting elbows in places and pushing places and stretching places. So today, where me and my cousin are both like, my allergies are draining like a faucet. I ain't gonna make it nowhere. We are both done. She did us in. Oh my gosh. So I literally had to take all of my allergy meds. I had to do the hot toddy recipes. All of that was last night, which is interesting because my sleep pattern is off. And I know it's because I am literally, at this point, 12 hours ahead of Denver. And I spend most of my time in Denver. I work out of Denver and I have a place in Denver, even though I go back and forth between Atlanta. But, yeah, last night, down for the count, man. Allergies, drainage. I was starting to get a little stuffy. She worked all that out. I don't have none of that no more. It's all coming out. My girl, his favorite person he gave to me. So he was like, yeah, she's gonna get it all out for you. After that, and all my allergy meds and all of that, I'm still like a little runny, like right up in here. But today is a day of rest. But I am changing hotels because I only booked this hotel for like 2 days because I didn't know what area I wanted to be in and how it would be. So this one I only booked for 2 days. So I'm going to another hotel, which is a little bit farther away. It's not right across from the beach like this hotel is, but I've kind of seen this area, so I kind of want to go somewhere different. So we'll see what happens. And my cousin is resting. He's taking meds and he's napping. And I need to nap, but I just packed up everything. All my bags are back there. And I gotta change my hotel and then I'll probably nap. But the thing is, my sleep pattern. My sleep pattern is so off. I am tired and I can go to sleep and I pop up in 3 to 4 hours. So I've only been sleeping 3 to 4 hours on a night, on a given night. So I am awake at 5:30, 4:30, 2:30, and I cannot go back to sleep. Like this morning, I finally fell asleep about 3:30. I woke up at 6:20. 6:20. I mean, I'm functioning, I think. But I don't know. I don't know what it is, but 3 to 4 hours, right back up. So I worked on a YouTube video, got my first video up. Went to breakfast. Oh, I made the hot toddy while I was doing the video. Went to breakfast, blew all of that out. You probably didn't need to know that. And then I went to walk along the beach and walked up and down the street because there's lots of shops and stuff up and down there. And yeah, that's about it. That's what happened last night. More to come, I'm sure.